So when I press, go a little bit over the top sometimes. I used to do a lot of tailoring and dressmaking, and so the pressing is a big thing. Hate ironing, love pressing. So what I do is I do a finger press. I press open. The reason why I like to press open is I like my quilts to be really flat. Mm-hmm. I kind of like them to look almost like a block print rather than, seams curling over. So I want it to be super flat, and I also like all the seams to match. And they're much easier to match the seams when the seams are pressed open.
You're all about precision, Jenny. Yes. I can tell.
So I open it up, finger pressing, and then I run my hand across the seam in front of my iron like that. I normally use a bit of spray, a bit of steam, but together with the wool mat, you get a really nice and neat finish. I also use tailor's clapper, which is just kind of a hard wood block that's been sanded down. And if you place that on your seam, all the steam and or the warmth of it, when it cools down, you get the seams kind of staying flat.